Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter 2 Breaking Barriers. This chapter is adapted from Breaking Barriers Women Who Fly by Dinaka Perry, Yutika Bhargav, and Debu Sebastian Edmund. Never do things others can do, and will do if there are things others cannot do or will not do. These words were spoken by Amelia Earhart, the first woman aviator to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean and the first person ever to fly solo from Hawaii to the US mainland. She has written many books about her flying experience. And today we will discuss about Flying Officer Avni Chaturvedi, the first Indian woman to fly a fighter aircraft all by herself. On February 19, 2018, Flying Officer Avni Chaturvedi flew a supersonic fighter jet, a MiG-21 Bison, from the Jamnagar Air Force Station in Gujarat and became the first Indian woman to fly a solo sortie on a fighter aircraft. Along with Bhavna Kant and Mohana Singh, Avni Chaturvedi was India's first batch of women fighter pilots who were commissioned into the Indian Air Force in 2016 as part of the 5-year trial of the Indian government decision to admit women pilot in the fire stream. Avni's achievement was remarkable as a woman from a very small part of the nearly 1.4 million strong Indian Armed Forces. When in the cockpit, Chaturvedi only focused on what she was doing, as the time to react to any situation is very little. On Avni's second sortie of the day, during the training, there was a warning as she was preparing to take off. The cockpit cover was open. Immediately, she aborted takeoff. It made her realize how the decision made in a split second can get the situation under control or push it out of control. Had she decided otherwise or delayed her decision to cancel takeoff, the consequences could have been disastrous. The Indian Air Force has a three-stage process for training pilots. Each stage has its stipulated kind of aircraft and flying hours. After this training, the trainees are separated into different streams on the basis of what they would be flying. Those fit to be fighter pilots then continue to the next stage of training. They are further trained to fly fighter jets that can go faster than the speed of sound. The type of aircraft the pilots train and depends on the squadron to which they belong to. There is a structured syllabus and the progress from the advanced jet trainers to MiG-21 is gradual. Avni started her advanced training in July 2016 and completed in October 2017 and got posted to number 23 squadron. Her next goal is to become an operational pilot. The time taken to fly a solo sortie varies from person to person and also depends on a lot of other factors. Her next goal was to become a full-fledged operational pilot. So students, I hope you have understood the story of Avni Chaturvedi. So students, be safe, be at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.